Hello, hello. Welcome back to the Step-by-Step English podcast. I am your friend, Alex, and today is special. Today, no grammar books, no difficult rules.
Hello, Alex. Hello, everyone. That's right. Today is different.
Today, we are talking about energy, power, motivation, because Emma, sometimes learning English is very, very hard.
Yes, it is true. Learning a new language is a big challenge. It is a long road. Today, we want to give you energy for that road. We want to help you say, yes, I can do it.
Exactly. So, listen to this podcast when you feel tired. Let's start. Emma, I must be honest. Sometimes I study English and my head hurts. I feel stupid. I think, Alex, stop. It is too difficult. Do our students feel this?
Of course, Alex. Everyone feels this. This is normal. Please listen to me. It is okay to be tired.
Really?
Yes. Think about sport. Think about the gym. When you run for the first time, your body is tired, right?
Oh yes, my legs hurt very much.
Your brain is a muscle, Alex. When you learn new English words, your brain is running. It gets tired.
So when I am tired, it means my brain is working.
Exactly. It is a good sign. Do not stop because you are tired. Rest for 10 minutes, drink water, and then start again. Being tired is part of the game.
Okay, so being tired is normal, but Emma, why? Why do we do this difficult thing? Why do we learn English? We need a big reason.
Yes, we need a why. You must know your goal. Alex, what is a common goal for our students?
Money? A better job?
Yes, that is a very strong reason. Imagine this. You are in an interview for a new job. It is a great job with good money.
Okay, I'm imagining it. I am wearing a nice suit.
Good. The boss asks you, do you speak English?
Oh no.
If you say no, maybe you don't get the job. But if you say, yes, I speak English, the door opens. Life changes.
That is true. English is a key for better doors. What about travel?
Travel is a fantastic reason. Let's do a small role play, Alex.
Okay.
You are at an airport in London. You are lost. You need help. I'm working at the airport. Go.
Nervous voice. Excuse me. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where is bus to city center?
Oh, it's very easy. Go straight, then turn left at the coffee shop. It is number A4.
Straight. Turn left. A4. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. End role play. See, Alex? Simple English helps you survive. Without English, you feel scared at the airport. With English, you feel strong.
Yes, I want to feel strong when I travel. I don't want to be scared. Emma, we talked about being tired and our goals, but there is one big problem, the biggest monster.
What monster, Alex?
The monster of fear, the fear of mistakes. Many students don't speak because they think, my grammar is bad, people will laugh at me.
Oh, Alex, this breaks my heart. Listen to me very carefully, everyone. Mistakes are not bad.
They are not.
No, mistakes are necessary. Mistakes are how we learn. Alex, think about a baby. When a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall down?
Yes, many times.
Does the baby say, oh, I fell down. Walking is too hard. I will stop?
No. The baby stands up again, and falls again, and stands up again.
Be the baby, Alex. You will make grammar mistakes. You will use the wrong word It is okay.
So, I must speak wrong to speak right later.
Yes, speak bad English today so you can speak good English tomorrow. Please, do not be silent. Open your mouth, say the words. If you make a mistake, smile and try again.
I feel motivated now, Emma. I want to be the baby. I want to get the good job. But what do I do today? Give me a plan.
Keep it simple. Do not study for 5 hours today.
No?
No, you will burn out. Consistency is the secret.
What is consistency?
It means do a little bit every day, 10 minutes today, 15 minutes tomorrow, listen to a podcast on the bus, read one page of a simple book before you sleep.
Small steps?
Small steps. But don't stop walking. If you have a bad day, it's okay. But come back tomorrow. You are stronger than you think. You are intelligent. You can learn this language. Believe in yourself.
Wow. Thank you, Emma. I really feel better. I feel stronger.
I am happy, Alex. Remember, listeners, it is hard, but you can do it. Do not give up.
Yes. And if you need help, we are here every week.
Alex, if our listeners feel motivated now, what should they do?
Good question. If you feel strong now, please show us. Click the subscribe button right now. Join our family on Step by Step English Podcast.
Yes, please subscribe and click the like button on this video. It helps other students find this motivation.
And a homework for the comments section. Write in the comments, I can do it.
Yes, write I can do it in the comments. Let's see your power.
Thank you for listening. Be strong. Keep learning.
See you next time. Bye-bye.